Hi, let's fix some lashes. Here I have my lash collection and my glue and my little lashes. So I had to first check out the length of the lash to my eye because we don't want excess, right? I applied my glue to my lash and now I'm fixing it. You have to be patient at this point. Quick disclaimer, I am using the end of my hand needle to fix, not the pointed part, please, because I'm used to this. Not the first time I'm fixing, but if it's your first time, please, I advise you to get a tweezer. So I first ensure that I softly pin down the middle part of the lashes before pressing down the front and the back end of my lashes, right? Because that's the easiest way out. I let my fan help me with the dryer, and then I dab my hand in water, and then I'm trying to, press the false lashes to my natural lashes. If you ever have like a little lift, no big deal, right? Just take some of the glues and then you apply it and then repeat the process, ensuring that everything aligns very well. So right now we're actually done with the first lash and it's looking good, right? So now let's go to the second one. Feel free to remove any form of little glue from the manufacturers, of course. You know the routine, right? So you check out the length first, just so you know if you have to trim out some parts, because sometimes if it's not the length, then you have to trim it out. So here I'm actually showing you exactly how I applied my glue to my lash, and I paid attention to how I apply my glue to my lash, right? So you repeat the process, slightly press down the middle part, then the ends, which is the front and the back, right? Press it down together. Make sure that you use your tweezer, please. Ensure that everything aligns, right? And voila, we are actually done.
Beautiful.